Jai Srimannarayana. 32nd sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yadha sarvagatam sakshmyat akasam नोपलिप्यते सर्वत्र अवस्थितो देहे तथात्मा नोपलिप्यते. Om. You should constantly remember about your original nature, that you are never tainted, you are never influenced, you are never modified by the bodily properties. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall always remember the fact that my original nature is, I am never tainted, I am never influenced, I am never modified, even though I am traveling through this body and I am all over the body. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava-sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamakrityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 259th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Balarama Krishna, along with their friends, while playing so many sports, they spent their very young age in Vrindavanam. Now they are entering into Pauganda age. Tatascha Pauganda Vayashritau Vraje Babhuvatuhu. The age between 6 and 10 years, that is called Pauganda, the span of age. Now Balarama Krishna, they entered into that Pauganda age, that means they are now 6 years old. Because all the Gopabalas, the boys, entered into Pauganda age, they became 6 years old. The elders in Vrindavanam felt that now they can give the responsibility of gazing the cows to these boys. Like that, Balarama Krishna, along with their friends, while taking care of cows, Padaihi Vrindavanam Punyam Ativa Chakratuhu. While going around, wandering here and there, Balarama Krishna with their divine feet making the entire Vrindavana Bhumi, the earth of Vrindavanam, very sacred. Like that, one of those days, Tanmadhavo Venum Vudirayan Vruto Gopaihi Grunadbhihi Ayyada Krishnundokkanadu Venuvu Purinchi Balabhadra Sahitudai Gopakumaruladanu Bahuvarambula Kaivarambulu Seyu. One of those days, Krishna got up early in the morning before sunrise and started doing his Venuganam. By listening to that melodious Venuganam, all the Gopalas, the boys, got up, took their cows, came to Krishna. Then Krishna, along with Balarama and along with all the Gopalas and cows, Vihartu Kamaha Kusumakaram Vanam. Krishna Paramatma entered into forest to show his Leela, to enjoy and showing his miraculous glow and glories to all of his friends. Krishna Paramatma entered into Vanam, the forest. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, 32nd sloka. Yadha sarvagatam sakshmyat akasham nopalipyate sarvatra vasthito dehe tadhatma nopalipyate. Yadha sarvagatam sakshmyat akasham nopalipyate sarvatra vasthito dehe tadhatma nopalipyate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.